It is true that Midjourney is excellent at generating images from text, but the $10 monthly cost might not be affordable for everyone. But there is now free alternatives available. We will discover the top 3 free AI tools that will spark your creativity. Plus, at the end of this video, I am going to show you a new way to earn money using AI. First, we have Bluewillow. Bluewillow offers both a paid subscription option and operates on a pay-what-you-can model, making it accessible to a wider audience, but it's not required. You can get started for free. To access Bluewillow's free AI art generator, first, click Try Now for free option. You will get the invite link to join the Discord server. Next, go to the Bluewillow Discord server. A pop-up will appear. You can download the Discord app from Play Store or App Store. In that pop-up, choose which notifications you want to receive and decide whether or not you want to subscribe. Once you're in, make sure to verify your email, then head to one of the rookie channels. You'll notice that other users are making prompts as well. In the chat box, type /imagine, and then hit the spacebar. You can now type any prompt you can dream up. For example, I asked the AI for a realistic image of tall, ruined buildings floating above a chasm in the ground, hyper-realistic 4K quality. After just a few seconds, this was what popped up. Your images might get lost in the pool of images generated by other users, so head on to the inbox section. Under Mention, you will see your created images. Click Jump, and you will get your image straight. If you are on the hunt for a new free AI image generator, give Bluewillow a try. Next, we have Tensor Art. It is free AI image generator and model hosting website. It allows users to generate images using a variety of AI models, including Checkpoint, Textual Inversion, ControlNet, and LoRa. Moreover, users can also upload their own models to the site. Tensor Art stands out with its generous offer of 100 free credits per day, allowing users to create up to 100 images daily. Each image costs 1 credit, making it an exceptional option for those on a budget. For more advanced features like Hires.fix or A-Detailer, which upscale images or adjust noise, additional tokens may be required. You can get more 200 tokens by inviting users to create your own custom model. Click on Host My Model button, then a drop-down will appear. Either you can create a new one or upload an existing model. Fill all the model detail, upload the image style you want the model to generate images, and that's all. Lastly, we have Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI stands out as one of the most comprehensive options available when it comes to AI art generators. It has a great user interface packed with many helpful settings and features. Navigate to the official Leonardo AI website. You only need to enter your email address to sign up. You will have to pick out a username and at least one interest from the several provided. After you finish this step, you can start using the Leonardo production. You can pick out the model you want to use, how many images you want to be generated, as well as the image dimensions. You also get 150 tokens per day that you can use. It takes up to a few tokens to generate one set of images. The model you choose will have a big impact on the way the image will be generated. You can click on Dream Shaper V5. After clicking on the desired model, a new page will open. On this page, you will find the option to generate with this model. Click on it. This action will take you to the Generation view, where you can set up the parameters for image generation. Once you've entered your prompt, scroll down or locate the Generate button on the page. Click on it to initiate the image generation process. You can then download the image by clicking on the Download button. Now comes the money-making part. You can head on to freelance websites like Fiverr, Truelancer, etc. and sign up there and offer your AI art generation service and make some serious money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you get new video notifications first. See you in the next video.